Okay, Joshua, how you doing? I've got your new banner ad up here, and let's go ahead down. It's here. It is right here. Okay, there's a couple of things I noticed. I'm wondering if you're taking a look at the announcements area because there's a few things that are included here that were recommended not to include in the announcements area. So, for example, the stroke on the text, and as well as the masked images from assignment 2-1 being animated. So I'm going to just jump over to the announcements area and I'm going to go over to the week 5. Welcome to week 5 announcement right here. And as you can see, as we scroll down into welcome to week assignment due this week is the 5-1 journal. And then here is 5-2 milestone, the web banner ad rough. So as you can see right here, it says, please remember the following requirements. Do not animate the headline or subhead. And it says animate only the call to action promotional text. Leave everything else static. So right now we see that the promotional text is animated, but the images are too. You don't want to animate the masked images. So right now I think you're set up pretty well. Oh, by the way, if we go back to the announcements area, if we scroll up a little bit, you can see here's should I stroke my text? And here's reasons why you should not stroke your text. And again, right above that is reasons you should not center align your text. Now we see stroked text right here, and we see center aligned text right there. So I'd like you to review those resources and maybe make the appropriate adjustments from there. Again, referring back to right now, I think that so keep the masked images static, okay? And also don't forget there's your contact information. Okay, that's cool. So right over here, I would left align the call to action, all right? And then what I would do is I would fade it so it starts at full opacity. I would fade it out and then fade it back in. And in order to do that, because right now it's not as relaxing as it should be. Remember, this is one of the most relaxing areas in arguably the world. So we really want to promote the client's relaxed branding approach by creating a really relaxed animation for the type. And I don't think this kind of blinking in and blinking out abruptly is as relaxed as it could be. So for that reason, I recommend adding a fade. In order to do the fade, let's jump back over to the announcements area. And this time I'm going to go right back to that same welcome to week 5 announcement. And right down here, in this portion right here you see this video, how to animate the call to action text only. This will show you how to fade in and fade out only the call to action. So in summary, I would remove the stroke from the headline. This type here is a little bit difficult to read. You may consider a color change on that. Animate only the call to action, left align the call to action. Do not animate the masked images from assignment 2-1. Okay, so try that, and I think that you're good to go at that point. So if you have any questions at all, please let me know. And if you would like to make these adjustments, I'd like to see these adjustments made for your final submission coming up here very soon. And if you want to run this by me before that final submission, have at it. I'll be glad to make final comments. All right, Joshua, thank you very much.